Good morning, everybody, or good afternoon. Today we'll be making a pumpkin pie. It's very simple and it always turns out very good. And I got my little helper here with me, little Randy, and we'll be banging in the kitchen for you guys today. Hope y'all enjoy. First of all, we'll be beating up the eggs. Now we're adding the pumpkin filling, or just a plain pumpkin. Brown sugar. Cornstarch. And all my ingredients will be in the descriptions with the amounts and everything. Salt. Pumpkin pie spice. And we need to have scalding milk, so I'm going to turn that on right now while I stir up the other stuff, kind of medium-high heat. I'm going to preheat the oven to 425. Oops, right there. Now we're going to mix up the mixture we got right now, and then after this is mixed, then you want to add the scalding milk. But if you do it prior to mixing this up really good, it kind of fries the eggs because it's hot, and you don't want that. That's before the milk. The way to tell when you got scalding milk is when it starts forming a skin. Just before it starts boiling, you want to remove it from the heat. No, you just want to add it kind of slowly so it doesn't get too hot all at once. That's how it looks. Okay, so I'm not really viewing my pie crust recipe, as you can find that in the very first video I ever did, and I will still put down the amount I made and stuff, but all the instructions and everything will be on my very first video. You can go watch that, and it'll show you how to do that. So I'm ready to roll out my pie crust now. So now we're ready to roll out the pie crust. Put some flour on the surface. And then just roll it out to whatever thickness you like. We usually like a thin crust for the pumpkin pie, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fold it in half. Make sure the crust is down in the crease good. Now I'm going to cut the extra off and pinch the edges. Okay, so now we're ready to pour the filling into the crust. Now we're going to place it in the oven very carefully. After it's in the oven, you can just add some more until you want it nice and full. But it's hard to carry if you put it all in at once, so that's everything now. Just carefully push it in. Alright, so I'm baking the pumpkin pie at 425 for the first 10 minutes. And then after the first 10 minutes, you want to turn the oven down to 350. So I'll show you how it looks when it's done. So after everybody had a piece of pie or two, this is what the pumpkin pie looks like. Thank you guys for watching my video, and please hit that thumbs up button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so, and y'all have a blessed day. See you next time.